Okay, this is where it starts to get exciting, because this is the project generator. It's where you're going to be setting up your filming tasks, the tasks that ultimately will get unlocked by your contributors in the Capture Captain app. So I'm going to get you started really quick here, but there's going to be a longer version of this video in the help section where I go into a bit more depth about just how powerful and flexible this is. For now, we want to get you started quickly, and to that end, look, there's little help things here and there. They will give you context sensitive help, so you can really just dive right in. So let's go and get started. So I'll set that to landscape for now. Right, first up is the overview. That's basically a project brief, which is a quick message to your contributor or contributors to tell them what the project's about, to put them at their ease. It can be something like this. Okay, so then you can create interview tasks, which is where you set up questions you'd like to be answered, and general shot tasks. That's where you can ask people to film specific shots and sequences. Remember, this is a tool for gathering building blocks of video content that you'll put together and edit together later. You can have a project that's a mix of both of these, or that's just interviews, or that's just general shots. It's up to you. Now, we've given you loads of control here. Let's go into interviews. Now, you can put the interview's name there, specific tips for that particular interview, and you can add as many questions as you like. You can keep it as simple or as detailed as you want. I'll just fill this out really quickly. So there you go. That's a very basic selfie interview we set up there. Just 3 questions, nice and simple, but you could send a code to someone, get them to do a selfie, and then get that same person to interview 3 other people. Yeah, it's up to you. And it's the same for your general shot tasks, except instead of asking for questions, you're asking for specific shots. So I'll just rattle through some here. And again, you can add as many shots as you like, be as simple or as detailed as you like. It's up to you. So there's a little sequence put together, and again you can add as many tasks as you want. Another one. So there you go, you can see we've added in a single project tons of filming tasks there. Now you can imagine sending that to one person and getting a load of content back, but you can send the same project and that story code to multiple different people, get tons of content back, and you can then make as many videos from that content as you like. It's incredibly powerful. So once you're done, you just hit continue, and then you got to decide on a name of the story code for your project. Remember, this is the thing that your contributors are going to enter into the app to unlock all the filming tasks of this project. Now it defaults to calling it the same name as your project, but you can change it at this point to anything you want to. Let's call it hello. And then there's a 4-digit number on the end of it that helps with security. But basically, once you've set this code at this point, the code can't be changed once it's confirmed. Now you'll still be able to change the project itself, you'll be able to add more stuff and edit what's there, but the code remains locked after this point, so be certain you're gonna go with it. Also remember, you're not using your live project allowance until you put this project live in the next step. So you can go through this process as many times as you want and create as many draft projects as you like. Okay, there you go. Go and create some filming tasks. Whatever story you want to tell, get stuck in, hit continue, and I'll see you for the next step. And remember, if you want a longer version of this video, it's in the help section. I'll see you there.